former Philippine congressman allegedly point to an election official as having been bribed by a South Korean poll automation provider. The Philippine elections chief warns of a legal battle if the documents are used to implicate him. Sherry Ann Torres reports.
Former Caloocan Congressman Edgar Erice calls these parcel Bahamas files, which he claims he received from an unknown sender. The parcel, which came from Bahamas in West Atlantic Ocean, contains the list of a COMELEC official and his wife's supposed 14 bank accounts amounting to $15 million or some 877 billion pesos. It also includes details of the said officials reported for properties in Singapore, Hong Kong, US, and Makati City.
Nakalagay po doon na isang COMELEC officials nakatanggap ng $1 million mula sa South Korea, allegedly from Miro. Binigay ko na po kay Chairman Garcia yung dokumento na yon. Dapat po imbestigahan niya sapagkat nakakatakot po kung ang isang COMELEC official ay tumatanggap ng salapi sa kontrata ng Miro.
Erice did not name the election official he was alluding to during interviews, but in his letter to Garcia, Erice directly tells the elections chief to comment about his bank history. Erice has also sent a letter to Senator Risa Ontiveros, House Speaker Martin Romualdez, and the Office of the President asking to investigate Garcia's supposed bank transactions. Erice says he will ask the Supreme Court to cite Garcia in contempt.
Kung gusto nyo, magkita-kita tayo sa Supreme Court, magpapile naman ako ng isang petisyon to cite Chairman Garcia in contempt of court. Bakit? Kasi pronouncement niya, sinasabi niya na pagka disqualify o ninalify yung kontrata ng Miro, COMELEC at Miro, sinasabi niya na magre-revert tayo sa manual election.